This is one of the biggest tips I can give when building a PC. Never cheap out on your power supply. So take this for example, this MSI MPG AB50G power supply. This PSU is 80 plus gold, which means it's efficient for both your electricity bill and your PC. It's also a fully modular PSU unit, meaning you only have to use the cables that are necessary for your build, which makes it a breeze for cable management. And if ever you have a cable that fails, well, you can just switch out that cable instead of the whole unit. It's an ATX 3.0 compatible power supply, so you get support for all GPUs, including your old 8-pin connectors and your new 40 series 12-volt high power connectors. There's also this nice zero fan switch, which gives you a 0% RPM mode for silent operation, stopping the fans at 40% below, giving you a longer lifespan on the power supply. But when it comes to building a PC, don't cheap out on your power supplies.